How to fix 72-hour restriction when deleting Snapchat account. Let's get started. If you're getting this kind of pop-up when trying to delete your account, the very first solution is you have to wait until 72 hours. But in case you are in hurry, you can follow these steps. Launch your settings app. Now navigate to the option General. Head over to the option VPN and Device Management. Make sure you are not connected to any VPN. Likewise, head back. Go to the main page of settings. Now you have to switch between networks, Wi-Fi and cellular data. If you are using Wi-Fi, set it to cellular data, and in case you are using cellular data, set it to Wi-Fi. Next, head towards the place from where you often use your Snapchat, like your home or office, and connect to that Wi-Fi and try deleting your account. With this solution, your problem might be fixed. As a last resort, what you wanna do is head towards the option General, click on iPhone Storage. From the list of the apps, find Snapchat, open it, click on Upload app, click on Reinstall app. With this solution, your problem will be fixed. You will be able to delete your Snapchat account. So this is how you can easily fix 72-hour restriction when deleting Snapchat account. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.